What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this heavily used Toro walk-behind commercial mower. And the problem is the self-propel doesn't work correctly and it won't mow in a straight line. All it does is turn to the right. At first I thought the transmission was the problem, and I was hoping that maybe there was a belt issue instead. However, if we take a closer look, it's pretty obvious that the splines on the shaft have moved away from the transmission coupling. And in this situation, it turns out the flange bearing that supports the shaft is completely blown and allowing the pulley and the shaft to move away from the transmission. To start off, remove the pulley that puts tension on the drive belt. Next, remove the two bolts at the bottom of the belt guard and swing it up out of the way. Then remove the cotter pins and the washers from the upper push rod and the lower guide rod. Next, release the spring at the back of the bracket and then swing it out of the way. And since the bearing is blown, we can just go ahead and remove the pulley and the shaft right off of the mower. And now we can see exactly how damaged the bearing and the shaft really is. And now let's remove what's left of the old flange bearing off the mower. And this is what our new bearing looks like, and if you're curious, this is what the part number is. Next, loosen the set screw on the pulley and slide it off of the shaft. Next, remove the woodruff key and what's left of the old bearing assembly. Next, insert the bearing over the shaft, the key, and then reinstall it back on the mower. Next, reinstall the belt and the pulley, and then tighten the set screw. Next, reinstall the belt guard and its nuts and bolts. And lastly, reinstall the spring on the pivot arm along with the guide pin, the pushrod pin, and the belt pulley. Now let's test it out by raising the back end, starting the engine up, and hopefully both wheels will spin. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.